Okay, today we will look at the present perfect, as in something is done, already done, yeah? So if I ask this question, have you already done your homework? It means, is your homework complete? Or is your homework done or finished? Yeah, you've done it and you don't need to do it again. Or nothing is left, it's completed. So
Okay.
question, have you already done your homework? The answer, the way you will answer is, yes, I've already done my homework, if you have done it already. And if you haven't done it, you will say, no, I haven't done my homework yet. Okay?
Okay.
The answer in the affirmative, you'll say, yes, I've already done my homework. And if you answer in the negative, meaning you haven't done it, so you'll say, no, I haven't done my homework yet. Remember to say yet in the negative and already in the affirmative in this context. So let's go. I'm going to ask you the question and you will answer in the affirmative. All of them,
Okay.
affirmative first. So let's go. Have you already done your homework?
Yes, I've already done my homework.
Have you already filled up the form?
No, I haven't. Yes, I have. Yes, I've already filled up the form.
Try again. Have you already filled up the form?
Yes, I've already filled up the form.
Have you already paid the bill?
No, I haven't paid. Yes, I have. Yes, I've already paid the bill.
So you will answer in the affirmative. Okay, let's start again. Have you already done your homework?
Yes, I've already done my homework.
Have you already filled up the form?
Yes, I've already filled up the form.
Have you already paid the bill?
Yes, I've already paid the bill.
Have you already met your new teacher?
Yes, I've already met my new teacher.
Have you already learned your lesson off by heart?
Yes, I've already learned my lesson of by heart.
Off by heart.
Of by heart.
No, not heart, it's heart.
Heart.
Look at it. Wait. Look at the pronunciation. Heart. It's long and it's robust. It's full mouth. Heart. It's not hat or heart. It's heart. Heart. Heart.
Heart.
Now open your mouth. Heart.
Heart.
Heart. Full mouth. Yeah. So
Heart.
have you already learned your lesson off by heart?
Yes, I've already learned my lesson off by heart.
Have you already left home?
Yes, I've already left home.
Have you already bought the new book?
Yes, I've already bought the new books.
Lesson bought. Buy in the present, bought in the past. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is past participle. Again, have you already bought the new book?
Yes, I've already bought the new book.
Very good. Have you already sold your car?
Yes, I've already sold my car.
Have you already read the news?
Yes, I've already read the news.
Very good. Have you already solved the problem?
Yes, I've already solved the problem.
Have you already contacted the seller?
Yes, I've already contacted the seller.
Have you already found the client?
Yes, I've already found the client.
Yeah, remember this word? It's not found, it's found, found, found.
Found.
Two vowels. Found, not found. Found.
Found.
Again, so have you already found the client?
Yes, I've already found the client.
Very good. Now, have you already agreed with the terms and conditions?
Yes, I've already agreed with the terms and conditions.
Again, have you already agreed with the terms and conditions?
Yes, I've already agreed with the terms and conditions.
Remember this word, this is agreed. It's not agree, it's agree. So agree.
Agreed.
Okay. Have you already turned off the lights?
Yes, I've already turned off the light.
Sorry?
Light. Yes, I've already turned off the lights.
Again, have you already turned off the lights?
Yes, I've already turned off the lights.
Turned off the lights.
Turned off the lights.
Again, have you already turned off the lights?
Yes, I've already turned off the lights.
Have you already shut the door?
Yes, I've already shut the door.
Yeah, shut is like closed. Understand?
Yes.
Very good. Have you already fallen asleep?
Yes, I've already fallen asleep.
One more. Have you already understood it?
Yes, I've already understood it.
Very good. Let's start from the beginning again. This time in the negative. You will answer in the negative.
Okay.
Every question I will ask, you will answer that question in the negative. You will say, no, I haven't.
Okay.
Have you already done your homework?
No, I haven't. No, I haven't done my homework yet.
Again, no, I haven't. Haven't.
No, I haven't done my homework yet.
So yet is important in the negative, remember. Yet is like till now, I haven't done. Have you already filled up the form?
No, I haven't filled up the form yet.
Yet, good. Have you already paid the bill?
No, I haven't paid the bill yet.
Have you already paid the bill?
No, I haven't paid the bill yet.
Good. Have you already met your new teacher?
No, I haven't met my new teacher yet.
Okay. Have you already learned your lesson off by heart?
No, I haven't learned my lesson off by heart yet.
Good. Have you already left home?
No, I haven't left home yet.
Very good. Have you already bought the new book?
No, I haven't bought the new book yet.
Very good. Have you already sold your car?
No, I haven't sold my car.
Sorry?
No, I haven't sold my car yet.
Yeah, you have to remember to say yet. So again, have you already sold your car?
No, I haven't sold my car yet.
Good. Have you already read the news?
No, I haven't already. No, I haven't. No, I haven't read the news yet.
Again, have you already read the news?
No, I haven't read the news yet.
Good. Have you already solved the problem?
Yes, I've already. No, I've already solved. No, I haven't solved the problem yet.
Again, have you already solved the problem?
No, I haven't solved the problem yet.
Very good. Have you already contacted the seller?
No, I haven't contacted the seller yet.
Very good. Have you already phoned the client?
No, I haven't phoned the client yet.
Very good. Have you already agreed with the terms and conditions?
No, I haven't agreed with the terms and conditions yet.
Conditions yet.
Conditions yet.
Have you already turned off the lights?
No, I haven't turned off the lights yet.
Good. Have you already shut the door?
No, I haven't shut the door yet.
Very good. Have you already fallen asleep?
No, I haven't fallen asleep yet.
Very good. Have you already understood it?
No, I haven't understood it yet.
Very good. So one more time, you will do it by yourself. You'll ask the question and answer the question in the affirmative and negative at the same time. Yeah?
Okay.
Let's go.
Have you already done your homework? Yes, I've already done my homework. Oh no, I haven't done my homework yet. Have you already filled up the form? Yes, I've already filled up the form. Oh no, I haven't filled up the form yet. Have you already paid the bill? Yes, I've already paid the bill. Oh no, I haven't paid the bill yet. Have you already met your new teacher? Yes, I've already met my new teacher. Oh no, I haven't met my new teacher yet. Have you already learned your lesson of by heart? Yes, I've already learned my lesson of by heart. Oh no, I haven't learned my lesson of by heart yet. Have you already left home? Yes, I have. Yes, I've already left home. Oh no, I haven't left home yet. Have you already bought the new book? Yes, I've already bought the new book. Oh no, I haven't bought the new book yet. Have you already sold your car?
Sold.
Sold your car?
Look, sold.
Yes,
Sell.
sold.
This is sold. Sold. Look,
Sold.
sold, not sold. Sold. Yeah. Okay.
Sold my car. Have you already sold your car? Yes, I've already sold my car. Oh no, I haven't sold my car yet. Have you already read the news? Yes, I've already read the news. Oh no, I haven't read the news yet. Have you already solved the problem? Yes,
Solved.
I've
Solved.
solved the problem. Yes, I've already solved the problem. Oh no, I haven't solved the problem yet. Have you already contacted the seller? Yes, I've already contacted the seller. Oh no, I haven't contacted the seller yet. Have you already found the client? Yes, I've already found the client. Oh no, I haven't found the client yet. Have you already agreed with the terms and conditions?
Condition.
Yes,
Condition.
conditions. Yes, I've already agreed with the terms and conditions. Oh no, I haven't agreed with the terms and conditions yet. Have you already turned off the lights? Yes, I've already turned off the lights. Oh no, I haven't turned off the lights yet. Have you already shut the door? Yes, I've already shut the door. Oh no, I haven't shut the door yet. Have you already faint?
Fallen asleep.
Have you already fallen asleep? Yes, I've already fallen asleep. Oh no, I haven't fallen asleep yet. Have you already understood it? Yes, I've already understood it. Oh no, I haven't understood it yet.
Very good. Do you have anything that you didn't understand? Any words? For example, to learn something off by heart. Learn off by heart. Do you understand the meaning?
No.
To memorize it, to learn it completely. You have it in your mind, in your heart, in your memory. When you learn something off by heart, you know it.
Okay.
Yeah, you've memorized it. Okay.
Yeah.
Any other words? To fill up the form. So you know you've got forms, so you have to put the details, your details on the form, like your name, your address, your profession, whatever. You put all the details on a piece of paper. That's called filling up the form. Do you understand?
Okay.
It says name, and then you put Salwa, and then address, you put your address, whatever the street names is, and then the city, and then country. Yeah. And then your profession. So when you join a hospital, you fill up a form, right?
Yes.
When you join your GP, your general practitioner, your personal doctor or family doctor, you go and you give your details, you write them down on a piece of paper, That's a form, and you fill up the form. You put your information down, and that's called filling up the form. Okay? Paid,
Okay.
you understood paid?
No.
Paid. So let's say you've gone to a restaurant to eat. So you eat and then you finish eating and then you pay the bill. You
Okay.
After you finish, you give them money for whatever you ate. So you paid the bill. Okay, met, to meet, present perfect is met. So when you meet someone, you see them, right?
Right.
And what else? Left, leave home, go out of your home or house. Okay,
Okay.
so and then bought, what is
Is
bought?
buy.
Buy in the past is bought. This is present perfect. Okay, sold, sell, sold. Yeah, to sell something, buy and sell. When you buy, you give money. When you sell, you take money, right?
Right.
Read, you know what's reading. So read, read. Solve, like fix. Yeah. Contacted, contacted. When you contact someone, you call them, you phone them, or you literally um, contact them in person. So you go and meet them. Okay.
Yes.
Normally, we send an email or we give them a phone call or something. So that's how we contact people. Okay, contacted is like communicated with someone. Phone is to make a phone call, yeah? What is agree? When you agree with something, you accept it, you say yes for it. You understand?
Oh, yes.
So do you agree to do homework? You say, yes, I agree to do homework. Do you agree to pay 10 pounds or 10 euros? Yes, I agree to pay 10 euros or 10 pounds. Turn off, you switch off the lights. Yeah, you turn them off. Shut the door, close the door, fallen asleep, meaning you sleep. When you fall asleep, you are already sleeping. And then
Okay.
understood, obviously you understand what it means. So when you understand something, you know it very well.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's all. I hope you understood the lesson. Please make sure you revise it properly again and again and again until you master it, yeah? And then you'll be able to use it. Thank you.